Welcome to this guide on how to complete standard and model verification in Proficient from a centre perspective. In this video, we'll walk you through the verification process, including how to confirm that the learner has been registered against the correct standard, model, and version. Following registration, navigate to Gateway Review from the menu on the left-hand side and select Enrolled. Here, you'll see learners who have completed the registration phase and are ready for verification. Locate the relevant learner. Alongside their name, you'll see information relating to the standard they have been registered against, including the standard code, level, and model. In this example, the model includes Interview, which indicates that the interview is the centre-assessed component. You'll also see the title of the standard. Check that the learner has been registered against the correct standard and model. Once you're satisfied that the information displayed is correct, click Verify. On the next screen, you'll see the standard selected for the learner, along with any applicable specialisms. Any fields that are greyed out are not applicable and don't require any action. If the incorrect standard was selected during registration, you can use the drop-down to change the selection, provided the correct standard is available within your centre's profile. If the standard is already correct, no changes are required. Once you've checked the standard, use the confirmation toggle to confirm that you're happy with the selection. You'll also need to confirm the expected gateway date. This should be the date on which you're completing this stage of the process. Below this, you'll see the components that will form part of the learner's gateway to completion process. Gateway to completion takes place at the end of the overall process. For a full breakdown of this stage, please see our Gateway to Completion video. A link to this video is available in the description of this video. Once you've reviewed the information displayed, select the confirmation toggle and click Next. The next screen provides a further stage of verification. Here, you'll see information relating to the assessment plan, along with the assessment components associated with the standard within Proficient. In this example, these are the pre-assessment checklist, the Administration Assistant Interview under the TQUK Together model, and the Administration Assistant Portfolio. The interview is the Centre Assess component, while the portfolio is the TQUK Assess component. Check that the assessment information and components displayed are correct. Once you're satisfied with the selection, use the confirmation toggle and click Verify. The learner will then disappear from the Enrolled section, confirming that the verification has been completed successfully. It's important to note that the previous process of navigating to the Confirmed section and progressing the learner through Gateway is no longer applicable. Once you've completed the verification process shown in this video, you should not follow the previous Gateway process. The next stage is to book and complete the pre-assessment checklist. For a full breakdown of this process, please see our Completing the Pre-Assessment Checklist and Booking in Proficient video. A link to this video is available in the description of this video. Thank you for watching this guide on completing standard and model verification in Proficient from a centre perspective. By following these steps, you can ensure learners are registered against the correct standard, model, and version before progressing to the next stage of their assessment. If you have any further questions, please get in touch with us, and thank you for choosing Training Qualifications UK.